Alright, so here's how you use Reddit to make an extra $100 a day with your affiliate websites. My name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, and if you're trying to build a passive income online business from the comfort of your living room sofa, this is the channel for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and then tick that bell icon so that you're notified of any videos that I release when I release them. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you a very simple way to rank your brand new affiliate websites quickly. So this is a great way to test whether or not these campaigns are going to dig in and how to use this to scale up to $100 a day or more with your brand new affiliate website. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Here we go. All right, before we begin, first things first, here is the winner of yesterday's $30 cash competition. Here is the top commenter right here. So congrats to the winner. We are going to put up another $30 here today. In this video, just comment something related to the topic of Reddit today, making money with Reddit, and you can potentially win $30 for being today's top commenter. All right, first things first, here we are at Reddit. What you have to do is create a fresh Reddit profile. Just create a new email address, use an unused email. And one thing, just an important point here is when you create your username, just try to work in some kind of keyword related to the niche that you're working in. So this example, I'm going to be working with my Stop Snoring site, and I've worked in my keyword here, Snoring Dan. All right, typical deadbeat fashion. So Snoring Dan, that's my username. Let me just click it real quick. And just one little tip, just you're going to want to add a quick profile picture. So to do that, just go to Settings and Customize Profile. All right, so that's where you can add a quick little profile image for yourself. This just helps give your profile a little bit more pizzazz. All right, so from here, go back to the Reddit homepage, and then where it says Submit a New Text Post, just hit that. And from here, you're gonna write a quick little summary of a post or a video that you're gonna link to. So let's go with 5 shocking. I always like to use shocking for some reason. 5 shocking tips to stop snoring naturally. All right, so the main keyword I'm trying to rank for is stop snoring naturally. All right, so I'm going to do my text post. This is about 100 words, give or take, maybe a little less. It might be about like 75. So just some little caveats to this here. When posting on Reddit, the key is to provide some kind of upfront value. You just don't want to come take. So make sure you're not spamming with junk. Or spamming it in general at all. Just do a quick little 100-word post. Usually what I do is I just summarize the post that the viewer is going to see at the end of the article here. All right, so just to get a quick little points here, right here will be my keyword that I'm going to try to rank to, my Stop Snoring blog. You can just, if you want to make that your keyword, your link anchor text, just do one little bracket. That's the square bracket there, and that turns that into the anchor text. Now we got to add the link. So you do a parentheses for that, and I'm going to link to the blog, that post that I'm trying to rank for. All right, so I'm trying to rank. So to reiterate or reconfirm we're on the same page here, the reason we're doing this, the benefits of doing this particular tactic is it helps brand new affiliate sites get ranked quicker. So this way, if you have a long tail keyword that you're trying to test, you can do this and you can rank those pages very quickly for very long tail keywords. And done correctly, you can potentially scale this up to $100 a day if you scale this out. All right, so important point here from here, instead of saying a subreddit, make sure you just submit it to your profile. All right, we don't want to put this out there in Reddit. We just want this to stay on our actual profile. All right, so say I'm not a robot and submit. All right, so from here, there is my post. Just one quick tip, you might just, instead of doing a longer keyword here, you could just say here as your anchor text. It's up to you. All right, now next step, we have to do one more thing to really juice this up. So click your profile link, and then from here, you're gonna want to boost the actual profile itself. So the key to this is you're gonna actually build links to your profile and to the post that you just created. So let me just open up the post. This is the permalink for the post right here, and here is my permalink for my username. So what we can do is we head on over to Fiverr, and at Fiverr.com just type in either manual social bookmark, these are always a good go-to, or Web 2.0 links. Now the good thing about Reddit is you can be a little bit more aggressive with your link building because it's a authoritative site. So let's see, Web 2.0 links, let me change that to links. Okay. All right, so we're going to grab some here. A good gig would be something, this is a little bit excessive. 5,000 links is a little bit heavy. create 100 links, niche-related PBN of Web 2.0. So something like this could be decent. I've not personally used this provider, so use at your own discretion. Is that the right word? I don't even know. It's late. I swear I read them books. All right, let's go with the one of the. Here's a decent one. 100 Web 2.0 properties. Okay, let's see that. Let's give that a shot. All right, that's not too bad. All right, so something like this would be okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to divide the links up. This gig allows you to divide it up. So do half to your username and half to your actual posts on Reddit. Again, working keywords like stop snoring, snoring treatments, or whatever your keywords are that you're trying to rank for. All right, so submit the gig, and before long, not only will your Reddit post start ranking, but all this link power will filter down to these sites that you link to. So if you notice on this page, I actually linked to a blog that I created. This is an affiliate blog, and if you want to learn how to actually capture your Reddit traffic so that you can benefit from it, I do have a free guide available underneath this video. You can get it by clicking the link in the video description or go to deadbeatuniversity.com/guide. And what that shows you is how to create the website that you see on the screen here. So that's 100% step-by-step. You don't have to have any prior experience. If you're completely new to this, by the end of the guide, it should take you about an hour or two to go through. You will have a complete site up and running and ready to benefit from the Reddit traffic that I just showed you how to get. All right, so again, that's deadbeatuniversity.com/guide or through the video description link below. My name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the circle subscribe button now to join the Deadbeat Revolution today. Also, share this video with your friends and comment below to potentially win your share of the $30 top commenter cash prize available for this video, and I'll pick the winner within the next 24 hours. Also, like this video, give me that YouTube lovin'. My name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, and I'll see you deadbeats later.